For now, it's clear. Can you send me like an email of the startup package so I can review it? And then maybe in March, I can start the startup package and pay half and then
Okay, so this is Parabi, Mr. Humayun, and me. We are team member, and we work for Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube marketing, and all type of digital marketing related work. So recently, our team member, Mr. Humayun, has audited your YouTube channel and found some growth related issues, and he already sent you an report sheet mentioning the problem what he found. So if you can fix that problem, then definitely your channel possible to grow. So if
Mhm.
you're interested, then we'll go ahead.
Yes, I'm interested, but is there any payment or what do I need to do?
Okay. So basically, we what we do need to be clear. At first, we will optimize your video metadata, and we will research your competitor, and we will promote your videos to your targeted audience, and we will guide you what should you do and what should not to do to growing your channel. So for that work, we have mainly two packages. One is starter and another is standard. In our starter package, we will optimize your 10 video including promotions, and it costs 120 USD, and it takes 7 days to deliver the work. And another package is standard package. In our standard package, we will optimize your 30 video, and it costs 300 USD, and it takes 30 days to deliver the work. So it's your choice which package you want to start with.
I have to think about it. Like, what are the packages in the startup?
In a starter package, we will optimize your 10 video complete optimizations and promotion, and it costs 120 USD, and it takes 7 days to deliver the work in a starter package.
How is it optimized? In what way? How do you optimize the videos?
We will optimize. We have lot of tools to optimize the video, paid, free, lot of tools, and we will do work obeying the YouTube rules and guidelines. And at first, we will research your competitor, and we will audit your channel, and then we will fix what problem we will found. Step by step, one by one, we will optimize and solve the issues. And after optimizing, we will also promote your videos, then you will start to getting uh, your targeted subscribers and views.
Do I have to do anything? Like, do I have to edit it again, or do I have to like delete my videos, or do I have to make a new video if we want like more views? And how does it work?
No, you do not need to delete any of your videos. uh, we can do both type of videos, like your already existing videos or already upcoming videos. Both type of videos we can do. And to do the work, we have two method. One is you can give your channel editor access to us, then we will do each of the things from our side. You no need to do edit and no need to do anything. But if you do not want to give your channel access, we have second method, which is you just send your 10 video links to us or 30 video links. Then we will optimize from our side and make a report sheet. Then we will hand over to you. Then you have to implement by yourself to your videos. And our payment system is, when you hire us, you no need to pay full amount upfront. You just pay 50% upfront and rest of the 50% after completing the work. And to receive money, we support Remitly, Western Union, Payoneer, PayPal, all of the things we support. And our main thing is our client satisfaction, because we believe in long-term relationship. And we also believe that if I provide you the better service today, then you will rehire us for the next day. We believe it, and we try to build a long term relationship, so that we can do this is our profession. So it's all about us, so you can ask anything if you want to know.
Mhm. For now, it's clear. Can you send me like an email of the startup package so I can review it? And then maybe in March, I can start the startup package and pay half. And then after how many days do I have to pay for the full payment?
uh, if you take a starter package, within 7 days we will deliver the work. So on the day of hiring you have to pay 50%, and after 7 days you can pay 50 another
Okay.
50%. Okay, okay. So no problem. You when you are ready, then you inform us. Then we will eagerly waiting to work with you. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So
Please
thanks.
send me the email and thank you so much for the
Thank you
time
so
for
much.
the call.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
you you also thanks for your time. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye
Bye.
bye.